Hello, welcome guys. I'm Kartik from Online Learning Box. This is another quick tutorial how to make this kind of transparent text effect like this messy. So I need to do this from first Control C. So all you need to do, this is your image. You can see this is your image. So this is layer panel. You have to lock this layer for it does not move. Okay, now another layer here, and in this layer you have to write down something. That's I see this, all this here. Okay, if you write down here messy, M-E, sorry, capital letter, messy. So if you put it here, and you need to know about the Pathfinder tool, and first of all you need to convert it in outline mode. So converting this text to outline, you go to type, thereafter convert type and create outline. Shift Control O, Control for Windows and Mac for command. Okay, this is outline mode. Okay, nice. Thereafter all you need to do, just change this color one. Okay, now go to the Pathfinder. If you do not know where is Pathfinder, so go to Windows, here this shortcut Shift Control plus F9, Control for Windows and Mac for command. Okay, Command Control plus F9. Look, this Shift Control plus F9. Okay, now Pathfinder. So once again Pathfinder, this is a Pathfinder. So minus font, or if you want the shortcut, this is Alt key. Okay, and spacebar. Subtract this one, this effect. Look at this. So you need to do it once again here. This is a nice effect, a nice design. Okay, put it here. Now this one, change the color. This one's a better, little bit. Okay, okay, nicely. This one is okay. Okay, good. I'm happy with this. Now you have to convert it in outline. So converting this text to outline, go to type, and already it is converted, create an outline. The shortcut is Shift Control 0, Shift Control O. Okay, it is already converted to outline, so I do not need to convert it once again. So now I'm to do, select this, both of this behind this text and background. Now go to Pathfinder, minus the font. Okay, that is a nice effect. Okay, thank you for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.